In Pell City, where the weather can range from hot, humid summers to cool winters, energy-efficient windows are a game-changer for homeowners. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows not only reduces energy bills but also enhances comfort and boosts your home's value. With the right window installation options, you can keep your home cozy year-round while minimizing environmental impact. Here's a guide to energy-efficient window options in Pell City and why they're a smart investment. What are energy-efficient windows? Energy-efficient windows are designed to prevent heat loss during winter and reduce heat gain during summer. These windows use advanced technologies such as insulated glass, specialized coatings, and durable frames to improve energy performance. By limiting air leakage and improving thermal insulation, they create a more stable indoor environment, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Top energy-efficient window options in Pell City. When it comes to choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your Pell City home, it's essential to consider the materials, glass options, and installation methods. Below are some popular choices. Double or triple pane windows. How they work. These windows feature 2 or 3 layers of glass with air or gas-filled spaces in between. Argon or krypton gas is often used for its superior insulating properties. Benefits. Double and triple pane windows significantly reduce heat transfer, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature. They also provide excellent soundproofing, which is ideal for homes near busy streets or noisy neighborhoods. Low E coating. How it works. Low emissivity. Low E glass has a thin, transparent coating that reflects heat while allowing natural light to pass through. Benefits. Low E windows keep your home warmer in winter by reflecting interior heat back inside and cooler in summer by reducing solar heat gain. This makes them perfect for Pell City's variable climate. Vinyl windows. How they work. Vinyl windows are made from durable, weather-resistant PVC material. They are affordable, low maintenance, and excellent at minimizing heat transfer. Benefits. Vinyl frames do not warp or rot, making them an ideal choice for Pell City's humid summers and occasional rainy weather. They also come in various styles and colors to match your home's aesthetic. Fiberglass windows. How they work. Fiberglass windows are made from reinforced glass fibers and resin, providing unmatched durability and insulation. Benefits. Fiberglass frames are resistant to temperature fluctuations and moisture, ensuring long-lasting performance. They are more energy efficient than aluminum or traditional wood frames. Composite windows. How they work. Composite windows combine the best properties of multiple materials, such as wood and vinyl, for enhanced energy efficiency and strength. Benefits. These windows offer excellent thermal insulation and are less prone to expanding or contracting with temperature changes, making them ideal for Pell City's climate. Benefits of energy-efficient windows. Investing in energy-efficient windows comes with a host of advantages for Pell City homeowners. Lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows reduce heating and cooling costs by maintaining a stable indoor temperature. Over time, the savings can offset the initial installation costs. Enhanced comfort. Drafty windows are a thing of the past. Modern designs prevent air leakage and create a cozy indoor environment, no matter the season. UV protection. Low-E coatings and advanced glazing block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, carpets, and curtains, protecting your home's interior. Reduced environmental impact. By using less energy for heating and cooling, energy-efficient windows help reduce your carbon footprint, making your home more eco-friendly. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades, including windows, are highly appealing to buyers and can significantly boost your home's resale value. Professional installation. Why it matters. No matter how advanced the windows, proper installation is key to maximizing their energy efficiency. Professional window installation ensures accurate measurements. Custom-fit windows eliminate gaps and air leaks. Seal integrity. High-quality sealing techniques prevent moisture and air infiltration. Durability. Expert installation extends the lifespan of your windows, protecting your investment. In Pell City, professional installers understand the local climate and building codes, ensuring your windows perform optimally in all seasons. Tips for choosing the right windows. When selecting energy-efficient windows for your home, consider the following. Climate zone. Pell City's climate requires windows with strong insulation and low solar heat gain. Energy ratings. Look for windows with Energy Star certification and a high U factor for insulation performance. Style and functionality. Choose window styles, such as double hung or casement, that suit your home's design and ventilation needs. Budget. Balance your budget with long-term savings on energy bills to find the best value. Conclusion. An energy-efficient window installation is one of the best investments you can make for your Pell City home. With options like double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and durable frame materials, you can enjoy lower energy bills, improved comfort, and long-term savings. Combine these benefits with professional installation, and you'll have windows that perform beautifully for years to come. Ready to upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows? Contact a trusted local installer in Pell City to explore your options and start enjoying a more comfortable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly home today.